This tech tip is about fixing leaks on compression cap fittings. As you can see, we have laid out here some pipes, a valve, and a new cap. This is the way that the compression caps begins looking. This is called generally the cap, but this is a compression end that is secured thusly. It goes right against here, and it's held tight with this nut. And when you have wear, such as here, it can cause leaks. Usually this wear is a result of over-tightening the nut in order to attempt to stop the leak. Now, this particular valve is on an Orphan Express club machine. That's 1976. It's making it pretty old. But like with many Olympia parts, they're proprietary. This has a specific shape. This is the standard part, and this is the Olympia part. Also, the pipe has chrome plating on it. The standard method of repairing this type of pipe is to remake the pipe and to put on a new fitting. This is the bender that you have to use in order to mandrel bend a pipe. As you can see, this is an awful short piece with some complicated curves, etc., and there's not a lot of room to work in the Olympia machines. And so very common, we've seen this with machines we've gotten from Italy, a very common repair for this, if you can't change the end. As you can see, the end is a different shape, and these are very difficult to remove. You would think, like any other fitting, that you would just heat it, remove the solder, but the solder is very hard to get off, and then you destroy your plating, etc. So a quick fix for this that's very stable and long lasting is to repair this crimped end, not necessarily damaged, just worn. You repair it with Teflon tape. And to make this repair, you simply reel out a length of Teflon tape, try to keep it straight, and of course, the slightest breeze, you lose it, and you wrap the end of the fitting, get it started. You wrap this with Teflon tape, and you try to get it nice and tight and smooth. You continue wrapping. You notice it's developing at the end, but you want to make sure that entire thing is covered. You get it nice and tight, and then you just open the end.
And you're doing that with your fingernail?
I'm just doing it with my fingernail. You could use a tool to cut it, but you make sure that now this, when it's installed, has a new seal, and if you are combating a leak, this will cure the leak 100% of the time, basically. Always best to use a new part and to remake it if you possibly can, but this type of fix, when applied properly, is a good, stable, permanent fix. Thank you.